Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be checking out how I dyed my hair from black to red, okay, or maroon, whatever. So first I used blonde dye from Dark and Lovely to just lighten my hair. I wasn't even trying to go blonde, I was just trying to like get it a bit lighter so that the red will actually pop when I do dye my hair red. So I actually just used half of the contents in the package. So yeah, I was really just using a little bit, trying to cover my whole head. So this is me when I'm applying the blonde dye. Okay, this is when I was done. Yeah, so I'm just making sure that the dye is covering every part of my hair, just like working it in. I really don't know how to explain that, or massaging it in, I don't know, whichever one. Ooh, my curls at the back are popping. We like it. After that, I put my hair in a plastic and then I left it in for a long time because it was taking long to dye. And yeah, this is how it looks like after I took off the plastic. It lightened, it looked cute. I mean, yeah, it's not blonde, but it's definitely looking cute. And as you can see, after I washed my hair, I was looking a bit blonde in front. It really dyed the front, but not so much the rest of my head. But yeah, I was really feeling the color, so I decided to keep it in like that for a little bit. So this is how it looked like afterwards. It looked super cute. I liked it. Okay, fast forward a couple of weeks later, I decided to dye my hair the color that I actually wanted to dye it, which was red. So I used the Inshot, I don't remember what color that was, but it was some maroon color. So yeah, this one I did use the full like package and stuff, and I really I washed my hair before dyeing it and it burnt me. I really wanted to cry, so then I started just like dyeing the top of my hair, not really going down to my scalp. So if you can see, I'm not really going down to my scalp, I'm just lingering on top of my hair, you know, that type of thing, so that it won't touch my scalp because it was really burning. I just made sure that my whole head was covered, and this is how it looked like afterwards, I guess. Yeah, so after that you just want to put your hair in a plastic or shower cap or whatever to let it sit and let the color activate and, you know, do the things. This was like halfway through the dyeing process. I think I kept it in for 1 hour or 1.5 hours, I'm not really sure. Okay, curls popping. Oh goodness. So this is the big reveal. This is how it looked like when taking off the plastic, and it was super red. I was really impressed. I liked it. It really came out how I liked, well, how I wanted it to come out. And yeah, I mean, the video was at night, so you can't really see the color properly, but then I did put an after video. So yeah. Okay, so after I washed out the dye, I used the Inshot conditioner. I also mixed it with my normal organics conditioner and shampoo. Oh no, I had already shampooed it, I think. So yeah, So that's what I'm just doing right now. So after washing it, I put my hair in a towel for a bit so that I can just let it dry and then style it afterwards. Not fully dry, just like get a bit damp. I don't know why I keep getting shocked when I see this color. Like, okay, here I'm just showing you guys how the patches that I was leaving out is still like kind of black, but it's fine. And this is how it looked like after. I was really feeling it. I was feeling cute. It was looking cute. Yeah, so that's how I dyed my hair, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.